Alright, I'm using the Satellite City CA glue. This is the thin. The way I'm applying it, I've got some stuffing from a pillow. And this stuffing from this pillow particularly is a synthetic stuffing. It is not cotton, it's not wool, it's just all synthetic. So there's no cellulose to react with the CA glue. So it stays, you can see that the brush is staying soft. It's not hardening up, it's not accelerating whatsoever. So I can keep putting on layers, put it on real smooth. Okay, then I can let that dry. Put another coat on. And one thing I'm also going to do is I'm going to run it up on this side. Then I can take my paper towel, smooth it out, and this will also accelerate it because of the cellulose. And I can feel this side without putting fingers on that side, so I can feel this side, see if it's cured yet. Now before I put another coat, I'm going to take my 1200 sanding paper, smooth it out so the CA glue sticks to itself, because since it's dry it probably won't stick to itself very well. Just lightly sand it. Put another coat. So it is curing from the paper towel and the air. Like there's a little bit of moisture in the air always, and water cures CA glue. In between each coat, we're going to sand it. And I'm still using the same piece of this brush because it hasn't really cured hard on there. It's still soft. And it puts such a nice even coat. Just gotta be careful you don't get these fuzzies stuck on there. Since that's my third coat, I'm going to spray it with my accelerator, also from Satellite City. I'm spraying it from about a foot away, because I don't want it to beat up too much from the pressure of the spray. So now I'm going to go directly to my abrasive paste. No sanding, no sanding. Alright, I'm going to start out slow, get it nice and warmed up, speed it up, get it real shiny. And just for a final touch, we'll hit it with some Sam spray wax. That's from CletusMcFarland.com. The shine is just amazing right now. And that's just on the top, just to demonstrate gluing technique. So I will hard it off now and see how good it spins. Nice bolted piece of wood. I think this is maple. That's a pretty good spinner right on the edge. Alright, hey guys, thanks for watching, and if you aren't subscribed, please consider subscribing.